Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a manually assisted cough. This one I'm going to be showing is called the seated epigastric. And so basically the purpose of this is to help out any weak abdominal muscles. So this person cannot cough on their own, so they are unable to clear their airway, which could be very dangerous in the future as well. So we really want to help them out and get all that secretion up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place 2 hands right above her belly button, and I'm going to ask her to inhale, hold her breath for a couple seconds, and then on my command I'm going to say cough and have her turn in the opposite direction so that they cough away from you. And at the same time I'm going to be applying a forceful up and in push on her stomach to really help that process as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're going to do. So I'm going to have you inhale, hold your breath, look to the side, and cough on my command, okay? And I'm going to put some pressure right on your belly as well. So we're going to go right here, right above the belly button. Make sure that the wheelchair brakes are locked as well. Okay, go ahead and inhale, hold it, turn, and cough.